Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss for the given data how to find the regression lines first, then the coefficient of correlation. In the previous video we have discussed the opposite way. So given the data, how to find the coefficient of correlation first, then the regression lines. You may be asked to find the coefficient of correlation, then regression lines, or in opposite way. So in both the way you must be ready to solve the given problem. Now we are going to the opposite way, finding regression lines first, then coefficient of correlation. I have considered the same problem that we have considered in the previous case. Now the formula for regression lines are capital Y equal to summation capital XY by summation x square into capital X, and capital X equal to, this formula is obtained from this just by replacing x and y. So if you remember any one of this formula, that is enough. So capital X equal to summation capital X into capital Y by summation capital Y square into capital Y. Now we have the formulas, and the capital X and capital Y are given by these relations. You will be given with small x and small y. From that you have to compute capital X and capital Y, then these values. Now to find these regression lines, I want to find this summation, this one, this one, this one. And since these two are same, if you compute one, same thing can be used here. Now I want summation x square, summation y square, summation x square. So I have to construct a table. So table, first column the values of x, second column the values of y, then capital X. You can observe that x bar is 4, so capital X will be small x minus 4. You have to subtract 4 from each values of x. Then capital Y, that is small y minus 11, because y bar is 11, that we have computed in previous video. Then I want xy, x square, y square. Then small x will get 1, 2, 3 and so on. Small y 9, 8, 10 and so on. So capital X will be, you are given with a small x, so I have to compute these columns. So capital X will be 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 4 minus 1 and so on. Capital Y, that is small y minus 11, so 9 minus 11 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 and so on. I have to write the table till the last value, 7th value. Capital XY 6, 6, 1 and so on. Capital X square, so we have to square these numbers. 9, 4, 1, 9, 4, 1 and so on. Capital Y square 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1. Now I want that summations, so add up that values. Summation xy I want, summation xy. If you write table completely and adding all that values, you will get summation xy 26 and summation x square 28, summation y square also 28. So these are the required values. Now I want to compute this regression line. So I will substitute the values to get regression lines. Regression line of y on x and regression line of x and y. For this one, capital Y, that is small y minus 11 equal to summation xy 26 divided by 28 into capital X, that is x minus 4. If you simplify this, you will get y equal to 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 minus 11 plus 28 plus 26 plus 4. 0.93x plus 0.93 min 0.93, x will get minus sign. Sorry, y equal to this plus 7.28. Similarly, substituting in this formula, we get x minus 4 equal to 26 divided by 28 into y minus 11. So if we simplify this, we get x equal to 0.93y minus 6.23. So these are the regression lines of the given data. Now we need to compute the coefficient of correlation. To compute the coefficient of correlation, we have the formula R equal to square root of coefficient of x in the regression line of y on x and coefficient of y. So here, the first one, coefficient of x is 0.93 into here coefficient of y is 0.93. So 0.93 whole square within square root. So square and square root get cancelled. We get r equal to 0.93. Since both coefficients are positive, we take r equal to plus 0.93.